Hello everybody, this is Bud Fox with Ichimoku Trade. It is June 21st, and today we're going to discuss how to day trade using the iMTF indicator. First, our disclaimer. What we are doing here is for educational purposes only. We do not recommend that anybody engage in any trading. If you are going to engage in any trading, please contact a licensed financial advisor and ask for their help. Again, this is for educational use only. We are broker neutral. I will be using TradeStation charts for my presentation. So let's get to it. So now, day trading using the iMTF indicator. The whole basis that I've been using this for is you see right here. Long-term crosses, short-term dots. Okay, so we have stock gaps up on news, heavy volume. What are you going to do? You're going to look to buy somewhere around here. You can get in front of the dots, layer everything out, just go big right here, whatever you want to do. Your risk should be defined, because if we break these crosses, you want to get out. Okay, 60-minute, 10-minute, right here. Here's your daily. Okay, we like this even better now because this gapped above the cloud. I don't know if it's going to close above it, but better to be above than below. And what are we going to do here? So we gap, we pull back. We go as low as 106. Okay, we got in here by 108.5. So after you get in here, it goes back up to about 124. So 106 to 124 gave you about 18 cents of maximum profit if you are perfect. We are not. It's a day trade, so my experience with day trading is you got to leg out as you're going up, because you got to be out of this thing. And as we're starting to see now, end of the day, they get everybody out. One thing that I want you to take note of is how we're getting towards the end of the day here, and it's coming back down to here. So we made our trade, we got out, made some money, pulls back. Let's see what happens here. Because on the daily, this holds. We could have, you never know what will happen over the next couple of weeks, because we have some room. But for day trading purposes, again, we're looking at this. Gap, pull back to this level. That's our level. That's what we're playing. And it goes. Next one. Okay. CXRX, Concordia International, same type of deal. It gapped up today. Daily cross below the cloud, so be wary of that. We like to say that if it's below the cloud on the daily, it may not be so good as if it's above the cloud on the daily. Got to be careful of resistances. But here we gap up, $1.40. We pull back on this bar. We go as low as 125. So here you got the dots at 127. The crosses are 125. You go here. CXRX by 126. So rallies back up to 136. So there's potential of 10 cents. Getting back to the end of the day, and we're coming back down. But once again, the whole point in using this gaps, momentum, you're looking for this to hold. Looking for the crosses and dots to hold. Your risk is below it. It's defined, and you want to see how it goes. Next one. Western Dig, 10-minute, 60-minute, daily. If you're watching this thing long term, you can see it's been holding that black crosses. You have them all bunched up in there. You have them bunched up in here too on the 60. Get out of the cloud. Is there a pullback in here? I can't even see. Let me see. Move these lines out of the way. Okay. You got to pull back here. 87, 87. You've got these crosses at 87.40. So broke out. You pull back down. Goes back up. It's holding. You'll see here on the 10-minute, the dots are starting to move up and up. But again, if you're just getting, this is over a couple of days. Today we started here, broke out, not much, really didn't pull back to a level. Now, if this would have just gotten a little bit lower, we could have gotten in. But again, the idea is you want to use those dots and crosses as your support level, and you'd like to see them move up as well. It's tough to see them move up in a day trade because you just don't get everything moving in just a short period of time. If you're doing long term, you'll see dots and crosses move up. Intraday, you're not. My last one, and I sort of like this one because I've been watching this as a value play. This showed up on my value spreadsheet. But you see on the daily, you got the wall of crosses here. Usually we like to see that form, and we busted out of that. Day trade, we busted up here, stopped there, we pulled back to the crosses. Notice that was the end of yesterday. Like I said on the first two trades, a lot of times you may get a pullback at the end of the day to the crosses. And if you got into that, low 65.58, we started at 65.61 today, and we just took off. So those crosses are holding. Not seeing much move up yet, but again, if you're day trading this, I mean, you made money. This is a nice profitable trade here. So just a quick recap. Again, you're looking for momentum. If you're day trading, gaps. If you're day trading, you want to see those crosses and dots form, a wall. You want to see them hold. Your risk is defined below. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can reach us at info@ichimukutrade.com. And that is it for today. Good luck to everybody. Bye-bye.